Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're signed in as an administrator, so start immediately. Open Services, MSC and Task Manager. First, create a restore point because system changes can be rolled back. Once done, pause Windows Update to avoid conflicts. Next, note the exact error message and time in Event Viewer. This helps decide if a dependency failed. While you're doing that, stop the threat protection service if it's partially running. Select it and click Stop, so you can restart cleanly in the next step. Now you'll adjust and restart the core services. Open Services, find the threat protection service and set its startup type to automatic, delayed start, or automatic depending on stability. Make sure dependencies, Windows Defender Antivirus Service, Security Center, and RPC are running. If not, start them first. If services, MSC is blocked, open an elevated PowerShell and run get service to confirm, then stop service and start service for each target. Once started, watch Event Viewer for success messages to confirm the sequence completed without errors. To finish, repair system files so the service stays stable. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. This fixes corrupted components that stop services. After those complete, reboot, re-enable Windows Update, and observe the threat protection service for 10 to 15 minutes. If it stops again, check third-party antivirus conflicts, uninstall any recent updates installed around the failure time, and if needed,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.